Our top story today, yesterday, Troy's Accounting Honor Society, Beta Alpha Psi, hosted a lecture on artificial intelligence.
Professor Toad led the conversation and discussed how AI can be used in the classroom.
AI is making its way into higher education. The question is, should it be embraced?
I do think that AI is going to be a great tool that can enhance students' learning experience and a tool that helps them with their learning process because they don't have access to professors 24/7, but they do have access to AI.
We also asked students how they felt about using AI in the classroom.
I think it should be encouraged. I think as long as it's used in the correct way, as far as it goes as using it for information or helping you out with homework, that's not, cheating or any sort of dishonesty. I think it should be encouraged.
Potential good examples of AI uses would be using AI to explain concepts in simpler terms, using AI to pull real-life example of a concept so that that concept stick with the student.
Although AI could help students learn, some worry that it will have the opposite effect.
Potentially, there are some caveats with using AI. For example, the biggest one is plagiarism. Right, generating output with AI and directly copying that.
Students are still expected to uphold Troy University's standard of academic integrity, even when using AI.
Beta Alpha Psi plans to hold more lectures on AI in the future.
To find out when the next lecture will be, students are encouraged to follow Troy SOA on Instagram.